How to reset Microsoft Authenticator. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can reset Microsoft Authenticator. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Authenticator app and then click OK, and then you have to click these three horizontal lines on the top left corner, and then it's going to open this menu. On this menu, click Settings, and then you have to scroll through in the Settings menu and find the Sign Account option and click it. And now you have to click Stop Signing and remove autofill info, and then click Stop Signing. And once done, you have to now go back and open the settings on your iPhone. And then you have to scroll through and find the General option and click this option. In the General menu, you have to click this iPhone storage option, and then you have to scroll through and find the app that says Microsoft Authenticator. So first you have to find the Authenticator app over here. I'm going to search for it and come back. Once you find the Authenticator app in your list, you have to click the app and then you have to click Delete app. You can also offload the app, but it will keep your documents and data. So I recommend deleting the app. Click Delete app and then click Delete again. Now once the app is deleted, go to the App Store and install the app again by going to the search bar and search for Authenticator over here. Once you find the Microsoft Authenticator, just click it and then install it again. And that's how you reset Microsoft Authenticator.